This is how we calibrate the grinder. So, grab the double shot right here and drop a double shot. Follow the same steps as if you were making this for someone else. And then go ahead, put it under here. Get your phone out. Got it. I know you got it. Get out your stopwatch. And then you're going to time this. Anything over or under 15 seconds, or 15 to 20 seconds, you're going to have to fix it. That came out in 14 seconds. If it's coming out too fast, that means the grind level is too coarse. So, how we fix that? This, you're going to want to have it turning at the same time as you're adjusting it. So, go to your single shot, and as that's dropping, you can turn it. Before that, you're going to jam the blades with the coffee beans, and they're just going to be dull and stiff and gross, and no one's going to want that. It came out too fast, so it's too coarse, so now we want to make it finer. Don't use the shot that you just dropped because that's a single shot. You want a double shot. Now we're going to try it again. See if this one's better. Reset the timer and go again. See how it's already dropping slower? "15 seconds. That's ideal. That's what you want. And you're going to follow the same steps if it was coming out too fast. You're going to want to make it coarser. Because let's use an analogy here. When you're pouring water through sand, does it immediately drop through or does it go through the sand first? It soaks up into the sand. Let's say you're pouring water through rock. It immediately goes through the rock and starts dripping out to the bottom. See what I'm saying? It's the same basic concept. Don't use this shot. Okay? Let's say it's too fine. Means it's not passing through very well and it's taking way longer for it to drop. So, ready? Let's say that dropped in 20 seconds or 25 seconds. That's not fantastic. So what you're going to want to do if it's too fine, this thing hasn't been calibrated in months. Go back to the single shot, so you're wasting out as little as possible. You're going to want to make it coarser, so you're going to be turning it the other way than what we just did. Here is a number. Normally you're going to want the 4 to be right in between it. That's ideal. That's ideal for espresso and espresso specifically. But it's going to change throughout the day, so it might not always be on that 4. So you're going to want to check it throughout the day. This is not just a morning task, this is an all-day task. We finished calibrating this. Shot came out in about 15 to 20 seconds, and that's what you want.